Brain Smart Kids.
Hello, Brain Smart Kids! Welcome back. Today we're buzzing into the wonderful world of honeybees. Did you know that every honeybee starts life as a tiny egg? Then it grows into a hardworking bee that helps flowers grow and makes delicious honey. Let's discover the amazing life cycle of a honeybee and follow a busy bee through its exciting day. Part 1. The life cycle of a honeybee. Stage 1. Egg. Our honeybee begins life as a tiny white egg. The queen bee lays one tiny egg inside each little honeycomb cell. She can lay thousands of eggs, helping the hive grow bigger every day.
Stage 2. Larva. After a few days, the egg hatches into a tiny larva. The larva looks like a little white worm. Worker bees take very good care of it by feeding it special food so it can grow strong and healthy. Stage 3. Pupa. As the larva grows, the honeycomb cell is sealed with wax. Inside the cell, the larva changes into a pupa. This is where the amazing transformation happens. Wings, legs, and eyes begin to develop. Stage 4. Adult honeybee. Finally, the young honeybee chews its way out of the honeycomb cell. It is now an adult honeybee. Soon it will help clean the hive, care for baby bees, collect nectar, and make honey. Part 2. A honeybee's busy day. Scene 5. Leaving the hive. Early in the morning, our busy worker bee leaves the hive to search for flowers. She flies across fields, gardens, and forests looking for sweet nectar and colorful pollen. Scene 6. Collecting nectar. Our honeybee lands gently on a flower. She uses her long tongue to drink sweet nectar hidden inside the blossom. The nectar will become delicious honey back at the hive. Scene 7. Collecting pollen. As the bee visits flowers, yellow pollen sticks to her fuzzy body. She brushes the pollen into tiny baskets on her back legs. The pollen is food for the growing baby bees. Scene 8. Pollinating flowers. While collecting nectar, the bee accidentally carries pollen from one flower to another. This special job is called pollination. Pollination helps flowers, fruits, and vegetables grow. Scene 9. Returning home. After collecting lots of nectar and pollen, the busy bee flies back to the hive. She shares her food with other worker bees and performs a special waggle dance to tell her friends where to find more flowers. Scene 10. Making honey. Inside the hive, worker bees turn sweet nectar into honey. They store the honey inside honeycomb cells. The honey becomes food for the hive, especially during the cold winter months. Review scene. Let's remember what we learned today. A honeybee grows from an egg to a larva to a pupa and finally to an adult bee. Every day, worker bees collect nectar, gather pollen, pollinate flowers, return to the hive, and make delicious honey. Honeybees are tiny insects that do a very important job for our planet.
Today, you learned how honeybees grow and how they help flowers, fruits, and gardens every single day. Thank you for learning with Brain Smart Kids. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and we'll see you in our next science adventure. Did you know it's free to become a Brain Smart Kid? Ask an adult if you can press that subscribe button and hit that like button. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.